everyone, and welcome to your flipped learning this week. And we are going to start slightly different today. What we are going to do first is we are going to start with some arithmetic, and it's going to follow on from what we've done in class this week. So have a think about some of the things that we might have already done. There's a clue on the board for you now. So you have been looking at finding one more. So what I would like you to do at home, so if you get a piece of paper, you are going to find one more than each of these numbers. And as you can see, when we find one more, we add, and our number gets bigger. So please pause the video now and answer these questions. I'm now going to continue on with my vocabulary for the next weeks of learning. So last week, as I said, we focused on one more. This week, we are going to look at finding one less. One less. 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 Fantastic. And as you can see from the picture below, if I had 4 apples and then my friend ate an apple, I am taking one away and making it less, which leaves me with a smaller amount. 1, 2, 3. Take away. Take away. Leave. Leave. So when we find one less, we are going to be taking away, and we want to know what we have left. So how much would it leave? So if I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 counters, and I took one away, I would have one less would be 1, 2, 3, 4. And I can do that on a number line as well. So if I had 5 to begin with, which is here, and then I had one less, I would go backwards to the next number, which would make my number 4. Another thing we are going to be doing this week is comparing amounts, and that means looking at different groups of objects and seeing which one is the most. Most. More than. More than. So you're going to see a lot of questions that look like this week. So I have some green counters and some red counters. And the question will ask you, which group has more than the other? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 in greens, and I have 1, 2, 3 in red. So which one is more? Have a think, and maybe you can write it down on some paper. Least. Least. Less than. Less than. And least means the smallest amount, and less than is exactly the same. So when you use less than, when we compare the two groups. So I have 3 grey bunnies, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brown ones. So which one has less than the other? Have a think. And the last one we're going to focus on is equal to. Equal to. Equal to. And equal means that they are the same. So let's have a look at the question underneath. I have a numicon of 4 and another numicon of 4. Are they equal? That's something for you to consider. So these are the types of questions you're going to see the next week on our video. Okay? So please focus on these terminologies because it'll help you in your lessons. Bye, everyone.